those chimes. They have to be sent in once a year to be readjusted, to be calibrated. Ang putang ng Amerika, ano, pati wind chimes na pinapabayaan lang mabulok sa Pilipinas, dito ipapaano pa na maano. And there's our barbecue. We are waiting for everything to get, gusto nila well done eh, kaya okay, well done, pero ako ayaw ko. Kami gusto namin medium rare. O yan pang isang wind chime na kailangan i-calibrate. Ganda naman ang tunog talaga. Wow, I love that. I love the sounds of chimes. Ito yung aming ano, and there's that, and since the wind is blowing quite hard, everything is supported with sandbags kasi lakas ng ulan eh, lakas ng hangin eh. Binaba ko na nga ito para hindi masyadong maging sail, maging parang wind sail at liparin ng hangin. The wind is gonna pick up later this afternoon, so at least they are secured. There's my wheelbarrow. Uh-oh, oh, I can see a lot of smoke. Better stop it.